What is up? We are out here on the Schuylkill River in Lower Marion Township. We have Flat Rock Dam right in front of us. We'll be wading downriver, hoping to get some smallmouth or whatever bites, so we'll see what happens. Alright, so we're really hammering out these deep holes here. It goes from like 6 inches to probably 6 feet in a lot of these spots, so we're just gonna bring this grub through real slow, and hopefully there's something decent chilling in these deep spots here. It's really rocky. You know, this is like perfect area for us. Oh, I had a miss right here. Yeah, there's fish all over the place here. There he is. Oh! There are fish everywhere in here. There he is. Ah, it's a little guy. Still a fish though. Oh, came off. A lot of times these fish will only have the tail. They won't even have the hook. So that's all, you'll end up missing a lot of these fish. They're not even hooked. They'll just grab that tail and that body and just hold on. Fish are so aggressive. There he is, little guy. Nothing big. Pretty fish and they fight. All right, see you, buddy. I hope there's something big chilling in this. Actually, take. These fish don't get crazy big, you know, anything 12 to 14 inches for the Schuylkill I think is half decent. But you know, you got your 3-4 pounders lurking around, and you catch one of those, man, it's a blast. Might have been a miss. Oh yeah, fish on. Little guy. All right. Swing him up. Barely hooked. Oh, sorry, buddy. He wanted to get out of here in a hurry. I was trying to show him to the camera. He had other plans. Oh yeah, decent fish. Oh yeah, oh there he is. Oh yeah, that is what we are after. A pretty sluggish day. Oh yeah, decent smallmouth. Oh yeah, here he is. What a way to end it. The latter end of the day, being skunked for a while. This is a good fish. Oh. Man, he rocked that. Oh. Nothing too big, but I should measure him real quick.